What is up, ATG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. So today it's a Tuesday and you know what we do each and every Tuesday. I share with you guys trading strategies that I would have tried and tested, right? And so this is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you a very powerful V75 2021 trading strategy that you can actually use to make money in the forex market. Okay, this is the strategy that you can see on the screen. So I'm going to take you through the whole process of how do you install it and how do you buy and sell and when do you take profit. Okay, so stay tuned up to the end of the video so that you get the full understanding of how this works. Okay, but before we start, as usual, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. I'm now posting daily. As you can see, you can check yesterday what I posted. It's a very powerful psychological strategy that you need. You can also check what I posted during the weekend on the analysis and see how accurate they were. And if you want to join our community, there's a Telegram group that you can freely join. The link is in the description box. There you'll be able to get my number. There you'll be able to get activities that are happening at ATG, and you can also follow me on Instagram to get live updates of what is happening at ATG. So here is the end goal that we want. This is how the strategy should look like. So I'm going to take you through how to get to this level. Okay, so let's get to business. I'm going to simply delete all this. Right now I've deleted and I'm left with a plain chart. As you can see, I have my plain chart with simply candlesticks. So we're going to go through the process of installing the indicators that you need. So you're going to need 3 indicators for this strategy. The first one we're going to install is obvious, our very much famous moving average. We have a moving average with a period of 10. The shift will be 0, and then the method will be simple: apply to close. The pixels, you can choose the ones that suit you, but I prefer 3 pixels for now, and the color is red. Okay, so I'm going to click done, and as you can see, I now have a moving average which is red in color on my charts. The second indicator that you're going to add is the stochastic, which is a very powerful momentum indicator that tells us what exactly is happening in the market. So we're going to add the stochastic, and it's going to need the following parameters. The first one is 5, second one is 3, third one is 3, and then price field should be a low stroke high, and then method is simple, and then the colors are as the ones that you see on my screen, which is green and red. And then also to that, we're going to add levels, right? What's a stochastic indicator without levels? We will need levels, and here are our levels and their description. So we have level 20, which will have a description of buy, and then level 80, which will have a description of sell. And then once you're done, you're going to click done, and as you can see, we now have a stochastic at the bottom right there. Okay, the last indicator that we're going to add is the RSI, the relative strength index, and adding that I have it right here. So here are the parameters for the RSI indicator. We have the period as 14, we have apply to close, we have the style as blue. You can choose the style that you prefer, but I want you to follow the colors that I would have put so that we don't confuse each other. And then I'm going to have levels. So this one has a lot of levels, as you can see. So the first level we're going to have is level 90, which is going to be described or labeled as extreme sell. We're also going to have level 70, which is also going to be described as level as a strong sell. And then we're going to have level 60, which I want you to describe as just a sell. And then we have a breakout level, which is level 50 as usual, which can be a take profit level or a breakout level. So for me, I just chose to write it as breakout. Right, and then after that, we're going to have level 40, which will be described as a buy, level 30 as a strong sell, and then level 10 as extreme buy. And then the style, you want it to be gray, and the pixels, you can choose the ones that go in line with your screen size. So after that, don't forget to click done. Okay, I made a mistake here when adding them, and I hope you don't make the same mistake. I chose my relative strength index to be below my indicator window instead of it having its own window. So I'm going to delete that and then click on main chart. So don't make the same mistake of clicking where it says indicator window. Click on main chart and then go to your RSI. The settings, you still have them, and then click done so that they have separate windows. Can you see now I have indicator window 1 and indicator window 2. So I made a mistake of clicking on indicator window 1, so everything would fall under indicator window 1 instead of clicking the main chart, so that it creates a second indicator window, which is indicator window 2, just like this. Okay, so now we are done. We are done with setting up the indicators. Now the big question is obviously, when do I buy, when do I sell, what do I look at when I want to buy, what do I look at when I want to sell, and which time frame do I use, take profit levels, stop loss levels, and all that. So we're going to go through one by one what exactly you need to do. But before we do that, as usual, comment down below to stand a chance to win free VIP access to the group. Right? All you have to do is comment, and I pick the best comment each and every week. You stand a chance to have a full month of free signals in my VIP group. That's all, guys. So let's get back to what I was saying. So we're going to start off with, when do you buy? All right. So we're going to be using price action principles here. We're going to be using price action principles, which is the M's and the W's, basically, which represent peak formation. So you want to look for the direction. You want to look for the direction first of your market. You want to look for a direction first for your market. So for buy trades, we are looking for W. We are looking at W's, right? And we would want your W's to form at the bottom, like this, at the bottom on your stochastic indicator, where it says buy. So you expect the letter W to be formed in your stochastic around the buy area. At that moment, you will know that I should expect buy trades. At the same time, you want to have your moving average pointing up. This sometimes may be slow because it's an indicator, so it may be slow to show you that you are now going up, but you just want to check on the trend. The third condition is you want to be in the region of either buy or strong buy or extreme buy. Okay, sorry about that. You'd want to be in the region of either buy or strong buy or extreme buy. Okay, so I hope you got the conditions there. Let me repeat them for you. You want the letter W to be formed at the bottom of your stochastic, just like this. Can you see? And then the moment it completes at this, as it exits level 20, that's when you press your buy, if your RSI is still in the buy regions. And as you can see, the market went all the way up. Okay, let's look for another example. Same situation here. The letter W is formed. The moment it crosses here, you're entering into a buy. And remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, and you went all the way up. And don't expect your W's to be the formal ones, the ones that you write. It just has to have at least 2 legs, right? So this is a nice W, and then you went all the way up, right? Let me look for the last one, and then we move. Okay, yeah, we have a nice W formed at this point. We're also on the RSI, we're still in the buy region, and at this point you enter into a buy trade, and as you can see, we went all the way up. So that's how this one works for buy trades. For sell trades, it's pretty much the opposite. Now we are looking for M formations, and as you can see, this is an M structure. So you'd enter at this point, and as you can see also in the RSI, we're in the strong sell region, and then you would sell and get all these pips. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4 hours. That's I don't know, 5 times 4, that's 20 hours. That's almost a day of just being in profit, because of just being in profit from your entry point. Can you see? This is the full day from here up to here. So we would have caught, you'd be blue the whole day and just making more and more and more, right? Let's look for another M formation. Another M formed. So this is for V75, right? We have another M structure here, tiny M, and as you can see, the market will then follow. We had another M here. We're in a sell region. Can you see how much it dropped? So on the time frames, I would advise you to use either the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame. I prefer the 4 hour time frame because I feel it's more stable and more reliable. I'm an intraday trader, so I can have my trade throughout the whole day if I make my analysis in the 4 hour time frame. If you make your analysis in the 1 hour time frame, you're most likely going to encounter a lot of noise in the market and a lot of misdirection in trends. But the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame are very good, because we're trading peak formations, and you would have the correct peak for that day or for that week, okay, rather than just getting all the noise. Remember, V75 is very volatile. Yes, you can be profitable in the 1 hour time frame, but it's high risk because of the volatility. You won't get the proper trends. It's better for you to identify your trends from these higher time frames so that you can just easily cruise through your trades. Here's another M formation here, and then we went all the way down, since we are also in the strong sell region. So this is it, guys. New V75 never lose strategy is out. Try it on your demo accounts, practice it, point out to me some of the stuff. Right here we were waiting for a buy, but can you see that the stochastic has rejected the buy yet? And can you see that the market kept falling? So once the W is properly formed, maybe the stochastic will keep dropping and then turn around. We're going to get into a buy, and as you can see already in the RSI, we're in the extreme buy region, because this buy has been delayed. So the market will have to recover from all the way down here up to all the way up there. So I hope you guys make money out of this. Comment down below what you think about it. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Like this video so that others can also get the same help that you're getting here for free. Until next time, peace.